Hello, Ski Mom here. It is time for bone broth. It's so easy to make bone broth and it helps your tummy. It's got good healthy fat and minerals. Start with some bones from your butcher. We're going to use salt for flavoring and we're going to use pepper for flavoring.
And I like to just put in some celery and some onion.
Is in your pot. You're going to take the salt.
You put it in the pot. You take your bones.
This is so easy, you're not even going to believe how easy this is. You're going to place them in the pot, like so.
See, I'll turn it so you can see it. Just like
this. There's all this good marrow in there. All that is really good for you.
Put those in, and then I'm going to start it up.
So on low heat, get those going. I'm going to chop these. I'm just going to chop this up, and I'm going to put these babies in whole, like this. Just like that. Super easy. So I filled it with water to cover the bones and the onions and the celery. Like this, and I'm going to simmer it on low for like 4 hours. Okay, so the bone broth is here. It has been simmering for 4 hours. Full, look at it. It's beautiful, beautiful bone broth. I'm going to spoon some in here. Yum, I can add a little more salt. As I now take the bone broth, so I pour it off. And now this, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, and then when I want to, I can pour a little off and warm it up and drink it over the next couple days. And then this, I can either pour more water in, add more salt and pepper, make another batch, or I can save it and I can throw away the bones and chop up the vegetables and use them in something like chili or some other recipe because they are good quality food. All right, bone broth.